scared of the waterfall?
Oh, look at the big one. Oh, there's a big one with him. Ooh, there we go. This one will pinch you, okay? So you want to grab him behind, right back there. Behind his.
Yeah, it's like how you grab a spider.
Yeah. There's another big one in here.
Oh crap!
There he goes.
There goes Geary.
Got him.
No, you didn't. Oh, yeah.
Ow!
Yeah, I told you, he'll pinch you.
Ow.
Did it hurt?
Yeah, it felt like a little pinch, but... yeah, this is the little sucker that pinched me. Ow. It pinched my pink. I was not ready for that.
Did it bleed?
No. Oh, this little sucker's still trying to pinch me.
He's really scared.
Oh, he's mad. He's mad.
You gonna put him back in the water?
Yeah, we're gonna put him back in the water. Yeah, he got really mad. He got really mad.
Did you bleed?
No, that was a hard pinch though. Like he got really like peed off, and he just pinched the heck out of me. He pinched me right here. That did not feel good.
Ow.
Pinched me around the pinky. I'm not gonna go back up.